Okay.
Yes, sir.
So good morning. And see, now today, whatever yesterday kinematical equations we have finished, some basic part, some problems we will solve of different model. जैसे कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, देखो here an athlete covers or just write which makes round बोलेंगे, है ना? Makes an athlete makes 3 rounds of circular track in 40 seconds बोलेंगे. Okay, in 40 seconds if radius of circular track is 50 meter, calculate number 1 distance covered, number 2 displacement, next is third one, that is you have to find speed, and fourth one you have to find velocity. ओके, ये है आपका प्रॉब्लम. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको? एनी आइडियाज? यस, एनी आइडियाज? फर्स्ट व्हाट वी शुड डू? 1 minute. Yes, anyone can tell me what to do? Yes. Yes, we need to find circumference first, he is saying. Okay. Okay, so let's see how to solve. Now, first thing, what I am doing is, I will draw first one circle. ये देखो. Yes, I am drawing one circle. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now let's assume that the person is at this point. Where? At this point. Suppose this is point A. Okay. And this is a center. So this is what your radius of this circular ground or track we can see. How much is the radius they have given? R is equal to 50 meter they have given. Okay, right. How many rounds he is making? How many rounds he is making? 3 rounds. So here number of rounds is equal to 3. Yes or no? Number
Yes,
of
sir.
rounds is equal to 3. Yes. Okay. Now, after 3 rounds, how much is the distance covered? After 3 rounds, or first I am calculating distance covered in 1 round. Distance covered in 1 round is equal to perimeter of the circle or that circular track. Agree with me? Yes.
Yes.
And that's why can I write
Yes,
like
sir.
this 2 pi r?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now distance covered in 3 rounds
3
or
into 2
after
pi
3
r.
rounds we can say. What we can
6
say?
by
After 3 rounds or in 3 rounds. Whatever you want. Distance covered after 3 rounds we can say. So this is equal to what? 3 into 2 pi r. Agree with me? Yes. So this is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
Yes,
6
sir.
pi and this is r. And it is how much then? 6 into pi into 50.
50.
So how much this is?
942.8, sir.
This is 300,
Pi.
है ना? 300 pi. अब आप पाई का वैल्यू
Yes, sir.
सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 300 into 3.14. So how much you are getting first answer? Yes,
942,
314.
9
42.
942 meter. Okay, 942. Check yourself. This is what your first answer. That is for distance. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
942.85 you are getting. Okay, no problem. You write whatever you are getting. Yes. Clear hai na? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 942 only na. 300 into 3.14. Just 942. Okay. No 0.85. Right. If you are doing maybe 22.7, you are getting like that. So let's move ahead. This is the first one. Next one is displacement. Okay. How to find displacement? Yes. Shanmukha, yes, right. Rishabh, right. 0. Yes. Why 0? Who will tell me why 0?
Displacement formula.
Because he's coming to the same point again.
Yes,
Sir, the
yes.
starting and finishing point are the same,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Therefore, there is no need to cover
So
distance.
second one, you see, after 3 rounds, person will come back. Person will come back to his original position or initial position, we can say. Original or initial, we will say. Initial position. Okay. To his initial position. And therefore displacement is equal to 0. is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now third, what he is asking, third one, can you tell me?
Speed.
Speed,
sir.
Okay, Charanjit is saying 23.55. Okay, so see, how to find speed now? Speed is equal to what is formula? Distance, total
By
distance.
time.
By time.
Total distance.
By times.
Yes. So I can say total distance or total path distance or whatever it is, total distance we will say, divided by total time. So what is the total distance? Yes,
942 meters.
942.8.
942 ले लेंगे और total time कितना है?
40 seconds.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. तो ये 942 by
The
40
answer
कितना
is
होता है?
23.55 meter per second.
Yes, 23 point.
55 meter per second.
Okay. So this is 23.55 meter per second. What will be the velocity?
0 meter per
Velocity is
second.
equal to displacement by time.
Velocity is equal to
Displacement by time.
By time.
Yes,
Is equal
displacement.
to 0 by
by time.
40. Is equal to
Yes.
0 meter per second.
Yes, 0 by 40 and this is equal to 0 meter per second. Clear hai? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Next question, noted everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay,
yes.
right. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, next problem. आप जरा ध्यान से सुनो और ट्राई करो करने का. यह है सेकंड अपना प्रॉब्लम. A boy swims in a swimming pool from point A to B. Yes. A boy swims in a swimming pool from A to B in 10 seconds and comes back to A in 7 seconds. If swimming pool length, that is A to B or even B to A, is 70 meter, calculate
Sir,
calculate his speed, comma velocity velocity.
Sir, the speed is 7 meter per second. His velocity is 0, sir.
Wait. Speed, velocity, distance, and displacement. Yes. Right? कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? पहला आंसर क्या है बोलो?
Yes.
The
7
speed is
Answer.
7 meter per second. Velocity is 0. Distance is
Displacement.
140 meters. Displacement is 0.
Okay. How many of you got answers?
We are doing it.
Okay. How many of you are not understanding? Listen here. I am drawing.
Sir,
one-
do we negate the speed of the water?
No need. Swimming pool speed of water is not necessary.
Sir, then speed should be 7 meter per second, sir. In the first case, it's 7 meters. Second case, it's 10 meters.
Okay, whatever. You just calculate. See now.
Then the water speed should be 3 meter per second, sir.
Why you want water speed? Water is at rest only.
Okay, sir.
This is not river, no. Why you are doing that? This is not river. This is swimming pool. See here. Now this is A to B, and I said you how much is the length of this swimming pool? This is 70 meter. Let's check answers. You can check yourself whatever you got. Those who are not getting, listen here. 70 meter. This pool length is 70 meter. Okay. Now A to B he is going means he is starting from this point. Okay. यहाँ पे देखो ये जो आदमी दिख रहा है ना. Yes, he is swimming. Okay. ये कॉकरोच नहीं है. नहीं तो बोलोगे सर ये कॉकरोच की तरह दिख रहा है. नहीं है, ये आदमी है. ओके. हाँ. So now from A to B he is going in a 10 second. So while going आपको मिलेगा 10 second speed और while coming he is covering that distance in 7 seconds. तो सबसे पहले speed I want to find. तो speed के लिए मुझे क्या लगेगा? Speed is equal to बोलो
Distance.
total distance.
Distance by time.
Yes. Total distance divided by total time. यहाँ पे total distance कितना होगा? जाने का 70,
20.
आने का 70. कितना होगा? 70 plus 70.
140.
Total time कितना होगा?
17 seconds.
10 plus 7.
70.
सही है क्या? चेक करो. 140 by 17. सही है क्या? चेक करो एक बार. Please check it.
Yes, sir.
Right up. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much it is coming? Tell me.
$8.23.
8.23 meter per second. है ना? This is what speed is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we got speed. Next is what we have to find? Velocity. What we have to find next? Velocity.
Velocity.
तो velocity के लिए क्या चाहिए? Velocity के लिए क्या चाहिए? बोलो.
Displacement, sir.
Yes. Displacement चाहिए.
Time.
Displacement, sir.
हाँ, displacement कितना होगा?
70 only, sir.
ओहो 70 only ना. How
Zero,
कैसे
sir.
करते हो?
Sir,
Sir,
zero,
if
से
you
sir.
B
take
को
the entire
गया,
thing, it's
B से A को आ गया. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा?
0.
Zero.
0. Very good. Displacement divided by time. What I said in the question, he is going from A to B and comes back. Comes back to A means he is coming back to his initial position. If he is coming back to his initial position, what will be the displacement? 0. Total
Zero.
time is 17. तो फिर भी क्या होगा?
17.
0 मीटर पर सेकंड.
0.
0 meters per second.
थर्ड वाला देखो, थर्ड केस. अब ये जो थर्ड केस है, distance we have to find. Already we have distance, already we used. So distance is equal to what? AB plus BA, है ना? तो AB plus BA कितना होगा? 70 plus 70, which is equal to 140 meter. And fourth one, that is displacement. Displacement.
0.
Yes, displacement is 0 as the person or a boy comes back to the initial position, and that's why displacement is 0. Understand?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt? Please ask if you have any doubt. Yes.
Clear, sir.
Here, sir.
Okay. Right. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Right. Okay. अब देखेंगे कौन कौन सॉल्व करता है, और ध्यान से सुनो. हाँ, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आपको दिमाग यूज करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं. ओके, so this is problem number 3. An athlete makes 4.5 rounds with constant speed of 5 meter per second. Calculate distance and displacement at the end of 4.5 rounds. Okay, can you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
solve this?
Yes.
Yes, do it. Let me
Yes,
see
sir.
who will get answer. Do it fast. लेकिन यहाँ पे गिवन भी देना जरूरी है। मैं ये गिवन देता हूं, r इज इक्वल टू 20 मीटर, ये जरूरी है कि नहीं? r of that circular track, given r of that circular track is 20 meter. Yes, otherwise you
Yes, sir.
cannot find, I think. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
करो, ठीक से करो। यहाँ पे एक सर्कुलर है सर्कल, दैट इज ग्राउंड, and its
The
radius is
distance is equal to
important.
314 meters.
Okay,
No, sir.
मैंने r दिया है 20 मीटर।
Yes, sir. So
अब नंबर ऑफ
displacement
राउंड्स
is
कितने
40.
हैं?
Four and
तो
half.
सबसे पहले
4.5
आपको टाइम फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा, जरूरी नहीं है। जरूरी है क्या? इज इट नेसेसरी? देखो नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स कितने हैं, n इज इक्वल टू 4.5 मीन्स 4.5 राउंड है ना। तो 1 राउंड डिस्टेंस इज हाउ
Yes, sir.
मच? 1 राउंड,
Circumference of the circle 2 pi r.
1 राउंड डिस्टेंस
40 pi.
Distance is equal to
2 pi r,
465.5.
which is equal to
The total
45.
distance is 251.2 meters. Displacement is 40 meters.
Yes. So this is 45 and 40 pi is equal to how much रे? 40 into 3.14
40 into 3.14.
कितना आएगा? Yes.
125.6.
125.6. 5.6.
Okay, 125.6 rounds. This is 1 round है ना? तो
Yes,
अब ये after 4.5 rounds.
yes, sir.
After 4.5 rounds, how much you are getting?
565.2.
4.5 into 125.6.
565.2.
कितना?
565.2.
5.2.
565.2. 5.2.
ओके, 565.2 मीटर, ये हो गया डिस्टेंस। अब डिस्प्लेसमेंट अगर चाहिए तो क्या करेंगे? बोलो बोलो, डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है इसका? डिस्प्लेसमेंट, देखो डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये पहले अगर समझो यहाँ से शुरू करता है, इफ ही स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, see one round, listen carefully this one round
Sir,
is
20
coming
meters
back
I think,
to
sir.
its original position, second round again original position, third round again original position, fourth round again original position, and half round means it reaches at or it stops at point B, है ना? It stops at point B means you have, this is the displacement. So displacement is what?
Diameter.
Diameter.
40
Diameter is equal to
meters.
what?
40 meters.
Displacement after
radius.
4.5 rounds is equal to AB, which is equal to 2R, and that is nothing but 2 into how much? 20. So this is what? 40 meter.
Meter.
40 meters.
This is what?
Yes, sir.
Displacement. सही है क्या? चेक करो. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish.
Okay. Right. Noted all these?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो अब एक होमवर्क करेंगे, राइट? एक होमवर्क देता हूं मैं,
Yes,
दो
sir.
तीन क्वेश्चंस देता हूं, आप अच्छे से सॉल्व करो.
Yes, sir.
Number 1, just I am giving you the values so that you can do it yourself. Number of rounds is 5.5. Okay, so 5.5, and you have to find time also given. Time is, let us suppose, 30 seconds. आपको find out करना है distance, next displacement, next speed, and next is velocity. All these things you have to find. ठीक है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
एक ही प्रॉब्लम बस है, ठीक है? और एक दे दो.
Give one more, sir.
One more.
ओके.
Alright, दे दो sir.
Give one more.
ये है आपका एक स्विमिंग पूल, ये है स्विमिंग पूल A to B. तो अब ये आता है, समझो इसका जो विड्थ है, ये दिया है 50 मीटर. ओके, and he is starting from here like this. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि स्पीड और मतलब इसका डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट व्हेन इट इज कमिंग बैक टू ए, coming back to A, find distance and displacement. बस है, distance and displacement. ठीक है? ये दो प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व करो. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
So let's stop
Thank you,
here
sir.
for today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And send me
Thank you.
personally with your name. Okay.
Thank
Your
you, sir.
homework. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.